I don't know if this was helpful. I think this was more for entertainment purpose. Can I finish? I think this was more for entertainment purposes, and if you were looking for an in-depth review, this wasn't the video to click. We're gonna open the box! Woohoo! Are you excited to open up a Glossier box? Do you see the excitement? You love boxes. What do you think? Hello. Oh, love that. Oh my god, a sticker? A sticker? Ferris, we got a sticker. Can you believe it? Here's what I got. It came in a pink bubble wrapped Ziploc that was open. Kind of seems silly for it to be open. I got some bundle that has these 3 things in it, and I just wanted to try them on camera for the first time. So I got a cloud paint cheek color, which everybody and their mother talks about. The boy brow eyebrow thing, and a mascara. What do you think? Would you like this one? Would you like this one? Would you like this one? Oh, this one you're biting. This is your favorite. You really like the cloud paint, huh? Alright, I'll do that one first. I guess that's kind of like their thing, do you know? So this doesn't have any instructions, but I think you just take some and you put it on your cheek. You see, take some. No, wait, you're not looking. Thank you. You take a little bit. Ugh, it's a lot. And I think this is way too light. Or maybe it's perfect. I don't know. That's probably way too much also. I don't know. Oh, we're very excited. Oh, we're very excited. Oh no. Oh god. Hi. You really like the cloud paint. We're just gonna rub this in. Just gonna rub it in. Oh god. Oh god. We're so excited. What do we think? Actually, it's kind of cute, I think. But I feel like I look a bit... I have color to my face now, which is good, I think. Ferris, wait. Ferris, wait. Just... No. I know, the boy brow, it's so exciting. Ferris, wait. Okay. I feel like that did something. This way. Get off my lap, you silly goose. Sit. Ferris, sit. Good boy. Sit. Okay. So then, perfect height! Good job. The Lash Slick Mascara. What do you think? Oh, I had to sit down for that one. This looks like it's one of those wands that aren't like bristles. It's like little like rubber things, which I'm not usually a fan of. I do have some mascara on, but I was crying today. This is just a first impression anyway. If you really wanted a full in-depth review, you wouldn't have clicked this. You've come for the dog content, I know. But I think it's cute. No weird smell. I don't know. I mean, I'll let you know if it like flakes off my face, but I mean, I think it's cute for now. Obviously this is just a first impression. I don't have much to go off of. I just wanted to like get the vibe and like understand like what the hubbub was about with this stuff. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, we'll go downstairs now. Say see you later. You gonna lick the cloud paint off? Yes, you are! You're licking off the cloud paint. Thank you. We thank you for coming. We hope you enjoy it. Au revoir.